Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to solve for the molar mass of a compound. What we need is one, the compound, and two, a periodic table. The periodic table is going to have the molar mass of every individual element, and we're going to use that to solve for the compound molar mass. Straight, simple, straightforward. So the first thing we're going to do is look at number one. Number one, we're going to identify how many of each element we have. Here we can see there are 3 hydrogens. We're going to add that to 1 phosphorus, and we're going to have to combine that with 4 oxygens. Just that simple. And then what we need to do, and let's lower this periodic table so we can actually see it. What we need to do is go ahead and take those values from the periodic table. I'm going to leave my 3 and we're going to find hydrogen. Replace it, 1.008. Now we're going to replace our phosphorus and use a parentheses, 30.974. Then we're going to go to oxygen. Oxygen is 15.999, which we round to 16. All we do now is plug all of that into a calculator, just like that. And you'll see that this is pretty straightforward, nice and easy. No questions, no confusions. And we see that the molar mass is 97.998 grams. Easy. All right, let's do it for the other one. Number two. Number two, we have NH4, and we have 2 of them. And we also have SO4. So we have to be careful. This 2 is going to apply to both of these, right? So instead of just 1 N or 1 nitrogen, we have 2 of them. And then instead of just 4 hydrogens, I'm going to have 8 hydrogens. And then we're going to continue with just 1 sulfur and then plus 4 oxygens. And then we just replace. Nitrogen is 14.007. Hydrogen, we already know, 1.008. Sulfur, we have to find 32.06. And then oxygen is 16, which we already know. Then again, we just plug and chug this into a calculator. Make sure you use your parentheses because it's very easy to get a careless mistake. And you don't want a careless mistake after doing all this hard work. We plug all that in and we see that this molar mass is going to be 132.138 grams. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.